Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off assets for your contacts on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here contacts. So you just go to privacy, and in the privacy you need to find contacts, and here you will see all of apps that have requested access to your contacts, so you can also here turn it on or off. So this is the way how you can find all apps that have requested access to your contacts and just turn it on or off. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.